Most motion sensor lights online are cheap gimmicks that fail after a single season. A bad pick wastes money on replacements and leaves you in the dark. Tired of lights that flicker or never detect you at the door? This video will help you pick the right motion sensor lights every time. Today, I'm going to be going over the best motion sensor lights that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Gritin motion sensor lights. Right out of the box, the 2-pack Gritin lights promise a slim, modern profile and flexible magnetic mounting. The device uses 84 LEDs arranged in a durable aluminum alloy housing with tough ABS plastic for long-lasting illumination. The motion sensor spans a 120-degree field and a 10-foot detection distance, turning off after 20 seconds. 3 color temperatures and 5 brightness levels are provided, with a long press enabling stepless dimming for precise ambience control. The light supports 4 modes, including off, night sensing, daytime sensing, and always on, optimizing energy use across different spaces. With an 1800 mAh battery, it recharges through USB-C and reaches up to 8 hours at high brightness. In sensor mode, the battery lasts 7 to 45 days depending on motion and ambient lighting. Mounting is straightforward with built-in magnets for metal surfaces and included adhesive iron plates for non-metallic walls. The 10.2-inch length and premium aluminum alloy with durable ABS plastic provide a robust, sophisticated look. This build quality supports reliable daily use in kitchens, cupboards, pantries, and stairways, with heat dissipation and long-term resilience. This lighting kit suits homeowners, renters, and DIY enthusiasts seeking hands-free motion-triggered illumination across kitchens, closets, pantries, and stairs. Compared to typical single-pack motion sensor cabinet lights, the Gritin 2-pack doubles coverage and offers magnetic mounting for easier installation. The pros include strong build quality, long battery life, and easy magnetic mounting. The cons include a higher price than budget models and limited performance on non-metallic surfaces without the included plates. At number 4, we have the EZVALO motion sensor light. Initial impressions reveal a 2-pack setup that invites flexible placement across kitchens, pantries, and stairways for better everyday visibility. This product is especially suitable for renters, DIY enthusiasts, and busy families seeking dependable, battery-powered lighting without hard wiring. Its compact profile houses 43 LEDs delivering up to 120 lumens of soft white illumination. The 2-pack configuration enables pairing across dual cabinets, improving coverage without interfering with nearby outlets. 3 lighting modes provide night motion, all-day motion, and always on, each clearly flagged by a mode indicator for confident operation. The smart sensor activates within 12 feet and a 120-degree field of view in dark environments. A built-in 2,400 mAh battery lasts up to 13 to 40 days in motion mode and 11 hours on. USB-C charging completes in about 3.5 hours with 2 included cables. The system remembers your last brightness setting and keeps it ready for immediate use when you walk back into the space. In practical testing, motion triggered instantly, avoiding delays and providing consistent brightness levels suitable for cooking and cleaning tasks. Compared with a standard single mode under cabinet light from a competing brand, EZVALO offers 3 modes and longer battery life. The pros include long battery life, flexible 2-pack setup, and easy magnetic installation. The cons include higher price and limited brightness range. At number 3, we have the Guankai motion sensor stair light, a compact battery-powered solution designed to brighten stairways safely during movements. Initial impressions lean toward a modern, unobtrusive fixture that targets households with children or nighttime navigations in hallways and stairs. During testing, the sensor activates only in darkness, with a sensing range of 5 to 16 feet and a 120-degree angle. The sensor also covers a wide angle around the stairwell, roughly 120 degrees, helping to detect motion more reliably. Powered by 3A batteries, the unit can run up to 4 months of soft illumination depending on movement and ambient light. Installation is straightforward, thanks to double-sided adhesive pads, avoiding electrical work and allowing placement on walls, cabinets, or doors. Single light dimensions measure 1.57 by 2.55 by 0.70 inches, delivering an unobtrusive footprint. Frosted shade diffuses the glow, reducing glare while preserving visibility, which is essential for midnight hallway navigation and child safety. Compared to budget stick-on lights, this Guankai model offers quicker activation and a more reliable range for stairs. The pros include easy adhesive installation, long battery life, and automatic motion activation. On the downside, the adhesive may not hold well on textured walls, and there is no brightness control. In real-world testing, the light triggers reliably within a step or two of motion, providing immediate illumination. Battery life reality aligns with claims, delivering months of use before battery replacement in typical home traffic conditions. The motion sensor's sensitivity balances avoiding false trips with ensuring illumination when approaching stair landings at night consistently. At number 2, we have the Tuffenough motion sensor lights, a rugged outdoor solution designed for hands-free operation and nighttime visibility. From the outset, these two-pack lights embrace solar power, reducing wiring hassles and appealing to homeowners seeking easy installation. The build presents a weather-resistant IP65 rating and 3 adjustable heads, promising reliable performance across rain, snow, and heat. A built-in 2,000 mAh battery is paired with a high-efficiency solar panel to prolong nightly operation. Remote control capability and 3 lighting modes offer flexible operation for residents, renters, and businesses seeking tailored illumination schedules. The 3 adjustable heads deliver wide coverage with a 270-degree angle and a sensing distance around 26 feet. In field tests, the lights delivered up to 2,500 lumens and maintained steady performance through multiple hours after dusk. During adverse weather trials, the IP65 rating held strong, while wireless setup reduced installation complexity and eliminated frequent battery replacements. Real-world testing confirms energy savings from daytime solar charging and the convenience of 3-mode options adjusting brightness automatically. Compared to a rival 30-watt solar floodlight, the Tuffenough kit delivers broader coverage and simpler remote control. The pros include robust weather-resistant housing, long battery life, and easy wireless installation. The cons include higher price point and bulkier footprint. For optimal performance, install at a height of roughly 2 meters with direct sun exposure and unobstructed views. On cloudier days, the panel still gathers ambient light and sustains the lights during evening hours, though charge time may extend. Owners should expect dependable service life under typical outdoor conditions with minimal maintenance beyond occasional cleaning and sensor alignment. At number 1, we have the AUVON motion sensor night light. Designed for bedrooms, bathrooms, and hallways, this 4-pack targets families, night owls, and anyone seeking safer, hands-free nighttime illumination. The diffuse backlit design uses 16 LED bulbs to evenly illuminate walls, eliminating harsh direct light and reducing eye strain for sensitive sleepers. Auto mode detects motion from 3 to 5 meters within 120-degree angle and activates, then turns off after 60 seconds. Night mode engages the dusk to dawn sensor, auto turning on after dusk and off at first light for intelligent, hands-free operation. Comfortable dimming provides 5-step control with a 1 to 50 lumen range, and memory keeps the chosen brightness when power remains connected. Safety features a fire-resistant V0 casing and overcurrent protection, ensuring reliable operation while keeping the outlet free for other devices. These 4-pack night lights plug into standard outlets, and their compact design leaves the second outlet free for other plugs. Each order includes 4 backlit night lights, a user manual, and ongoing technical support for confident installation and lasting performance. Targeted for adults and kids, it excels in bedrooms, bathrooms, and hallways where gentle illumination aids orientation without awakening sleepers. The motion sensor reliably activates within range, and the dusk to dawn mode responds well to ambient light, delivering predictable nightly guidance. Compared to a basic non-sensing night light, the AUVON model adds motion awareness and a dawn sensitivity that save energy. The pros include diffuse backlit glare reduction, reliable motion sensing with automatic on and off, and memory brightness that retains the last setting. The cons include higher price than basic plug-in lights and occupying a wall outlet, potentially limiting space for other devices.